Okay, and now that our journal is coming together so beautifully, I have another set of fussy cuts we can add, just to bring in even more embellishment and even more layers. This is the part where everything starts getting extra charming. You can arrange these in all kinds of ways. You can build little clusters, or keep it simple with just one special piece. I think I'm going to add her here too. Yes, she belongs on this page. And there are two ways to attach them. You can use glue, or you can use glue dots, which add lovely little dimension. Let me show you how that works. I'm placing the glue dot here, and I want to bend it just a little. And what that does is lift the piece slightly from the page, so it creates dimension and movement. Another butterfly, because honestly, there is always room for another butterfly. It's such an easy and fun way to decorate without needing to do too much. Another option is simply layering them flat onto the page, and that's what I'm doing here. Just building up little details piece by piece. I'm using my glue dots again because they're just too fun and I cannot stop using them. They really do make everything more lively. You don't have to use glue dots on everything though. This piece I'll probably just glue down normally, but even then it still adds texture and dimension to the page. And here, I'm thinking about adding these mushrooms. Maybe right here. Not sure yet. Let's see. Yes, mushrooms there and another one here. You don't have to decorate every single page, but once you start adding these little touches, everything begins to come alive. She needs another butterfly right here. There we go, much better. Fussy cuts are really how you make the journal feel personal, playful, and completely your own. I'm adding some flowers here. Yes, definitely a flower here. I think the biggest challenge with fussy cuts is knowing when to stop, which I do not always know, but that's part of the fun. And now a flower here to bring in some color. No, actually, I want this yellow flower. Yes, that gives us the perfect little pop of color. I'm going to keep going through and add a few more pieces. And of course, you can do as much or as little as you'd like. Okay, let's have a look. And clearly, I did not overdo it at all. We have flowers, butterflies, more little details everywhere. It creates such a lovely sense of movement, playfulness, and dimension across the pages. And I really like how it looks. Some pages just need that one little pop of color, the detail that makes everything feel complete. Here's another one. More flowers here, and of course, more butterflies were needed. Naturally, always more butterflies. And over here, I'm building up a little cluster of flowers. You don't need to add too much, but these small details give the page texture, character, and a finished feel. Here I added more pieces. And in this corner, it felt a little empty. So I added mushrooms and a flower there too. And now the whole journal feels rich, layered, and full of personality.